Today we'll talk about how can you enable reminders notifications on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on notifications here, then you come to next step here, then all you have to do, just go above account, click on it here. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, so then you come here to reminders, click on edit. When you just click on edit, it's going to show for you a list like this. And here you enable it for email, then here for app, and here for email, then like you say reminders notifications, or here sorry, for SMS. Like you say, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.